Come test drive the 2018 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, power mirrors, stability control, remote power door locks, navigation system, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, heated passenger seat. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.